Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be talking about my locks. I am currently 3 years in on my lock journey. December the 14th of 2022 made my 3 years. And as you can tell, my locks are really growing. So let me tell you what's going on with my locks. If you can see, my gray is coming in, and I wish it would come in a little bit faster, but it's not. But my gray is coming in and I love it. I am loving my hair. This was the best decision that I have made to do my hair. It's low maintenance and I don't have to worry about it. I am sorry about this lock right here because this lock is the stiffest lock I have. And I had combined it, so that's why it's a little fat right there. I do have a few, like say for example this one. I can't keep this one locked for nothing. If you notice right here, it's thin and then it goes down thicker, and this one right here is the same way. It goes thin, mainly right here, and then it goes thicker. So I am going to go to get it professionally done. I don't know when, and I need to find the right person because I don't just let anybody in my hair, but I'm gonna go get it professionally done to see if maybe they can do something with that. I know it's gonna take away from the length, which I don't care about, but as long as it's healthy. My hair is really soft. It's not dry at all. I use my rose water still, and I use some oil that I make for myself in my hair. I do a steam on my hair, and hold on, let me show you what I've used. I brought this Afro steam cap, and guys, I love this thing. I use it after I take my shower. I get out and I will use this, and I got the purple cap. But I'll sit up under it for like 20 or 30 minutes and steam. And then after that, I'll moisturize my hair. And sometimes I retwist it. I do it before I retwist, and sometimes I'll just do it just to steam my hair. It makes my hair feel so soft, and I don't have any problems with my locks. As you can tell, my hair is really growing. And for those of you that do not know, my hair started with 2-strand twists. I was natural, and one day I put my hair in twists because I wore it in twists a lot. You know, I wear it to work with twists, just 2-strand twists in my hair. And I just didn't take it out. I have no particular pattern to my hair. There's no parts or anything like that. It's just how I twisted my hair when I was going to work, and I just left it like that. So this is what my hair looks like. So at one point I had an itchy scalp, so what I decided to do was to oil it more. I was usually oiling my hair at least once every other week. I decided to oil it more, and once I started doing the steam and using my rose water more, that went away. So I didn't have that problem. I just recently started using products in my hair. Anybody that follows me knows that I've only been using the aloe vera in my hair, and the longer my hair gets, the heavier it gets, and the aloe vera was not holding it like it should. So I picked up this product right here from my beauty salon, and this works really well. It doesn't leave a buildup, and it smells really good. But this is what it looks like. And this is what I've been using for my retwist. And my camera is going to die, so let me change batteries. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I am so glad that I bought this second battery. For some reason, these batteries don't last very long. But like I said, I bought this from my beauty supply store, and it smells really good. And this is what it looks like. And so far I haven't had any buildup with it or anything. So I do make sure that I wash my hair. And To make my grays not as stiff, I use the Shimmering Light Purple shampoo, and I love that stuff. It does make your hair harsh. So I go back in with my Design Essential, and I use the honey and oat and the henna. I use the honey and oat, and then there's one that's henna. I can't remember what it is. If I can find it, I will put it somewhere here. And that helps soften my hair up. After I get out the shower, I spray my hair with rose water. I oil my scalp and I massage it. I get up under the steamer, and then I will either retwist it or I'll just tie it back and just go without. I do not lay my edges. I don't find it necessary. So I don't lay my edges, but this is what my hair looks like. So let me show you. This is where my hair is right now. And as you can tell, it is really growing. And let me show you a back view. And I don't know if you can see the length of my hair. I don't know if you can see the length of my hair. It's just where I'm filming at right now. It was more convenient for me. But guys, I am so in love with my hair, and I have never realized how fast your hair grows until you let it alone and don't mess with it. When I was natural, the shrinkage was real. I still have that problem sometimes. It's like when I wash my hair, you can tell the length of it, but then after it dries up, it shrinks up. But this is my lock journey, and this is me 3 years in on my lock journey. So if you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer them. If you've stuck around this long, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. So guys, this was short and quick. That is all that I have for my lock journey. So if you're considering locking your hair, girl, what are you waiting for? Lock that hair. It is a big commitment, and I'm the type of person that I like versatility. I like to change my hair all the time. So my husband didn't think it was gonna last long, but there's so much you can do with your hair in locks. I mean, you can do buns, you can do all types of different styles. So you can be versatile with your style. It's like having braids in your hair. So you can do, you know, hats and scarves, you name it, you can do it with it. So if you are considering locking your hair, girl, do it. Do it. You will thank me later. Thank me later. But that is all. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and it will help my channel out. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing. Why not? We'd love to have you join the family. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.